The Smart Money Stop 04 indicator, which is readily available for various trading platforms on the comprehensive TradingFinder website, can be conveniently accessed for TradingView directly from this specific section. Additionally, interested traders can thoroughly read this informative page to gain a deeper understanding about precisely how the indicator truly works and to explore its full functionality. To effectively access the desired indicator on TradingView, you should navigate to the dedicated indicators section. From there, diligently search for the specific name of the indicator you wish to use and then simply select it to promptly apply it to your current chart. For quicker and more convenient access to this valuable indicator, you can easily add it to your personal favorites on the TradingView platform by simply enabling the Add to Favorites option within its settings. Once the indicator is applied to the chart, it begins to identify bullish order block zones in blue, bearish order block zones in red, and finally starts detecting the 3 drives pattern on the price chart. The Smart Money Stop 04 indicator is a special and practical tool that allows traders, by adding this indicator to their chart, to identify a powerful trading strategy and based on that, enter buy or sell positions in the market. Order block zones are specific areas within the financial markets where significant smart money orders, substantial institutional funds, and large banks' orders are strategically placed, which consequently leads to very strong and impactful movements in the market. And if the price subsequently returns to these crucial zones, there is a high possibility of a noticeable and significant price reaction occurring within this particular area. Also, the 3 drives patterns, where a bullish 3 drives pattern forms near support zones and a bearish 3 drives pattern forms near resistance zones, indicate a decrease in selling pressure and buying pressure respectively. The way the 3 drives pattern works and is identified is based on the formation of 3 lower lows or 3 higher highs. And these particular lows have noticeably long wicks, which clearly indicate a significant decrease in selling pressure and a corresponding increase in buying pressure. When this specific pattern forms near a crucial order block zone, it can indeed serve as a remarkably powerful and effective strategy for successfully entering a trade position. For example, at this point, a strong bullish order block zone has formed, which has caused a strong movement of the candles in this area. This zone has been identified for us, and even once the price reacted to it, got rejected and moved down again. At this point, a bullish 3 drives pattern formed for us, where we could have entered a trade at the 50% level. We set the stop loss behind the zone or behind the previous swing, aiming for the higher highs as our target at this point. And after that, we can clearly see that the price action made a very sharp and strong move significantly upward. In the settings section, under inputs, there are options available for us. In the first input, we can set the calculation period for the 3 drives pattern, which is set to 2 by default. The higher we set this value, the patterns identified will have longer periods and larger movement steps. Conversely, the lower we set this value, the patterns identified will be shorter term with smaller movement steps. Traders can use this section to identify setups. In the section below, we can also change the color of the bullish order block or demand zones and the bearish order block or supply zones to any color we like. In the last section, we can easily enable or disable the visual display of these various inputs within the status line, providing a clear and concise overview of their current state and activity. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.